everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. Welcome to A Touch of Glam. I am extremely happy and thrilled to have you here. For today's video, I will be showing you how we have transformed and created my dream laundry room. This room has been in our to-do list for so long now, and as you can see, it definitely needed the makeover, as it still has the original tiles, wall, paint, and shelvings from the builder. It was also unorganized and has been our catch-all room. A huge shout out to the hubby. I'm so blessed and thankful for my husband for doing such an amazing job with this makeover. He knew exactly what I wanted and made my vision come to life. But before we continue with the makeover, this video is in collaboration with Beirio Lighting. Beirio Lighting has been my go-to lighting for all my glam chandelier luminous needs. I have collaborated with Beirio Lighting many times before, and most of all my crystal chandeliers that you see in my videos are from Beirio Lighting. I love and trust this company when it comes to our chandeliers. Their chandeliers are of the highest quality and also extremely affordable. And for this video, Beirio Lighting gave my laundry room that touch of glam look that it needs with their new round modern crystal pendant chandelier. This chandelier features over 1,000 exquisite crystal pendants. This crystal chandelier offers a stunning and rich refraction that is sure to enhance the beauty of any space. It is meticulously designed with a superior quality of materials. The chandelier light fixture is pure elegance and sophistication. I love the aesthetic design of this chandelier. It definitely elevates and creates the character and charm with the ambient lighting it gives to our new laundry room. This chandelier is also perfect for foyers, bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, dining rooms, and stairways, basically any room that needs a touch of glam. What I love about Beirio Lighting is that their chandeliers are super easy to install. As you can see, the 1,000 crystal pendants are already attached to the fixture, making it quick and easy to put together and install. If you want to transform and elevate and put a touch of glam in any room or space in your house, I will provide Beirio Lighting's info and links on the description box below. Now on to the makeover. It might have took a while to get this laundry room makeover done, but the outcome is worthwhile. We wanted to make sure that we took our time and picked out exactly what we love for this laundry room, as well as how we were going to do the layout. And we couldn't be more happier with how everything in this laundry room makeover has all turned out. I'm blessed to be able to share with you all how we have done it and to share some inspirations and ideas as you come along with us. This room is now a place I would say we love to use and get our laundry done. This is a pretty long video, guys, so please grab a drink or a snack and please continue watching till the end. This video is full of jam-packed ideas and inspirations on how to transform your laundry room with the tips and tricks that we will share to make your makeover easier and also budget friendly. We hope you enjoy this video. And here's the final transformation of our new laundry room, guys. We are beyond happy with the way it turned out. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video and was able to get tons of ideas and inspirations with everything we shared. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'd sincerely very much appreciate it. If you are new here and have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of the Glam family. For my returning Glam family, thank you so much for your continued love and support. I love and appreciate you all. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Till then, God bless you all abundantly.